If you look at the grid presented in front of you, you should notice that the places in which the white lines intersect appear to have gray dots. However, if you look directly at the part of the grid in which they are not intersecting, you will notice that the white appears to be solid white. This illusion is caused by something called lateral inhibition. What is lateral inhibition? It is a useful process that occurs in our retina in order to further pronounce edges. Since we live in a world in which it is useful to be able to detect edges in order to survive in our environment, we are evolutionarily predisposed to have edge detectors that help accentuate the edges around us. This is what is occurring when you look at the Hermann grid. Our visual processes are using lateral inhibition to make the places in which the black parts meet the white parts appear to be even darker on the black side of the edge and even lighter on the white side of the edge. When the light hits the retina, it is absorbed by photoreceptors, also known as rods, in which lateral inhibition then works to increase the amount of light we perceive in the white part of the edge so that it appears whiter, and decrease the amount of light in the black part of the edge so that it appears blacker. This then causes the places in which there are direct edges, where the white lines are not intersecting but are lateral to the black lines, to appear whiter, whereas in comparison, we perceive the intersections, the areas in which there are not edges, as darker, i.e. gray, because lateral inhibition is not increasing the amount of light we perceive in that area.